Thank you. Thank you very much. Swipely is loyalty for Main Street. We help local merchants grow their revenue by enabling them to understand their customers, retain customers by bringing them back, and engaging their customers. Loyalty is more than a retroactive rebate. In fact, that's not what loyalty is about. Loyalty is a reward that incentivizes future spend and increased visits. A paid loyalty program for local merchants can only be successful in the context of a comprehensive marketing strategy to earn the consumer's trust and loyalty. Swipely is working with a variety of high-quality local merchants. These merchants have a great brand, but what they lack is the capital, technology sophistication, marketing resources, and most of all, the time it takes to build a successful loyalty program. What Swipely does is to help these local merchants build a lasting marriage with their best customers. We try to make the customer of that local merchant feel like Norm Peterson when he walks into Cheers, where he knows he's loved and appreciated. And best of all, our program works without any change in the consumer or the merchant's payment behavior. Instead of asking the consumer to check in on a smartphone, carry a loyalty card, or cut coupons or other unnatural things, or ask the store to install new hardware or software or train staff to do something differently than what they do today, we work with the existing credit or debit cards consumers already have in their wallet by integrating with the payment network at both the issuer and processor sides of the spectrum. Since launching the service in March of this year, we're already seeing some great traction. We have over 500 merchant locations running their loyalty program on Swipely today. And today at Finovate, I'm very pleased to announce some exciting additions to Swipely's leadership team. We recently recruited Joe Pignato to become our Chief Financial Officer. Matt Oley joined us from Seamless, where he grew a local merchant network from 0 to over 7,000 local merchants. And Barry Harlem, recognized as one of the foremost leaders in loyalty marketing in our industry, has joined from CVS to become Swipely's Chief Marketing Officer. Prior to Swipely at CVS, she built the Extra Care program, growing it from inception to over 60 million active members, becoming the world's most successful and largest retail loyalty program. So now let me show you what this team has been building and take a look at the product. If we could switch over, please. So what you see here as a consumer is coming into Swipely and seeing a network of local merchants where you can earn automatic rewards. Some of these merchants are offering an offer. For example, here, Tortilla Flats in the center is one of my favorite local Mexican restaurants. I can earn $9 cash back on my first visit to Tortilla Flats, but I can also earn ongoing rewards. In fact, if I click to take a look, you can see that I earn a Tortilla Flats point for every dollar I spend. So this program rewards my spend, but it also enables me to like the merchant and tell my friends about it on Facebook so that I can get access to rewards even faster. The rewards store shows off some of the best local merchants. In this case, we launched the service first in Rhode Island back in March. Today, we're just beginning to expand now into Boston, San Francisco, and New York. And so these are some of my favorite places to go in Rhode Island. You can organize by the type of merchant, for example, fashion retailers or restaurants, or you can also go into particular neighborhoods. Swipely is all about helping local merchants succeed, taking the tools that larger retailers have used for years and putting them in the hands of local retailers that we love to go to. And here we see an example of me telling my friends about a merchant on Facebook. As you can see, I earned some points at some different places. This screen shows where I'm earning loyalty points at specific merchants. So here at Meeting Street Cafe, I've earned 20 points. I've got a little ways to go before I can earn a $15 cashback reward. Now, just to reiterate, this isn't a retroactive reward. When I get my 300 points, I can load that reward to my card, that $15 reward to my card, which will be applied towards my next visit. This is critical because this is what is key to actually making loyalty work, is driving future visits, not giving somebody a rebate on something they've already done. So here, for example, at the local flower shop that I like to go to, I have quite a few points. My wife and I have been buying a lot of flowers. And this is the reward, $30 cash back at Studio 539 Flowers. I earned this because I have accrued at least 300 points this merchant. So if I click Get This Reward, it will load that to my card. And because we're not connected to the internet right now, it says unable to load. But if we were connected, it would tell me, hey, this has been loaded to your card. Now, any card that I've linked up with Swipely, I can now go shop at Studio 539 Flowers, And let's say I bought $60 worth of flowers. I would actually get $30 cash back after that transaction because I've loaded this reward to my card. Anytime I go shop somewhere, for example, in my neighborhood, I shop at Ruby's, I can get a thank you note from that merchant that tells me about my rewards. For local merchants, let me show you what the interface looks like for them. This is a local sushi place called Haruki East. They have 137 of their customers using the program. And they can begin to really understand their customers in a powerful way. They can see what the average frequency of those customers is, the total spend, the average spend, all types of different things about their customers. They're running a 25% cashback offer on their first purchase. And with this screen, they can immediately see whether or not that offer is actually making money for the business. In their case, they've given this offer to 118 people, and we're able to estimate the lifetime revenue that those people will drive based on observed statistics in the merchant, as well as an assumption on year-over-year retention of your customers. We can even help a customer understand the pulse of how, in aggregate, their customers are spending, their local community. Where are people spending money, for, in this case, in Providence? So you can see that 16% of your customers are shopping at this particular liquor store for wine. By far the most powerful report is the one in which we help merchants understand their customers through the lens of their recency of visit, frequency of visits per year, and the average monetary value. This enables the merchant to distinguish between their different customers and send the right marketing message to the right customer at the right time, instead of sending the same message to all their customers at the same time. So if this is interested to you at all, we're very interested in working with organizations that have relationships with a large number of consumers or local merchants. My email address, angus@swipely.com, or come see us out there. We'd love to talk with you. Thank you very much.